So, um, so after the waiting, so let's try to open um, our server again, but this time like we we apply the ADDS. So as you can see in your server, now the password that I use there is the password before, not the SRM password. As you can see here, the ADDS is here and the DNS. So this is the you don't know that you have that you have successfully uh, add add a row and by adding the uh, ADDS, like as you can see in the server manager, uh, the ADDS in the dashboard. So for the reflection, what was the most important step in adding the ADDS row? So promoting the server to a domain controller. Imagine building a school. Installing ADDS is like constructing a school building, but promoting it in a domain controller, like what we did, is like hiring a principal who will manage students, teachers, and school rules. Without promotion, the school exists, but there's no one to organize everything. So how can ADDS help manage users and computers in a network? So it has uh, many benefits of the centralized login. Just like student, just like student use one ID to access different school facilities like classroom, library, cafeteria. Employees in a company use a single account to log into any computer in the network. No? So they will not use um, they will not use different accounts to access different computers. They can use single account. The group policies, one of the benefits of this. Group policies, think of school rules like wearing uniforms, in network administration, in network administrators, administrators can enforce policies such as blocking a USB drivers or password changes. Um, Another benefit is access control, like how only teachers can enter the staff room or the faculty room. They are only allowed to go inside, just like that in um, the ADDS. So policies and access control are implemented, can be implemented, and the single sign on, like what we uh, demonstrate earlier, or what I said earlier, similar to how a student ID can access to multiple areas. ADDS enables users to log in once and access multiple services, like services like emails, shared drives, and application without entering passwords repeatedly. So that's one. That's um, many that's things that are advantages of having a ADDS manage your network